amagara gawe amagara ganjye bayibulire guzamu ngo byona bitakabireho n'ivumwe bitakabireho Ruhanga akabaho hano we yahandira byona ubwo bugingo nyana ngungende niwe kake nsime Ruhanga niteta leta like we say sometimes these days celebrating the life of Aida. Abana ba Aida, abanyamuzare, the closer by blood ba Aida, nyana ngungende nimwe sinya munonga Ruhanga that time enda ubwo bugingo uwataye Aida. Oh, what have we not seen? What have we not heard from Aida? Nyowe, it's amazing Kushangangun today. Konka, I'm so happy. Ruhanga abana abajon Eva, then the Canon Benjamin. Nyowe nkanywana na Benjamin. Tulyabana ba.